Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Bonk Update today. Check the top right of the video to see what the private is. The entry is opened up for private, and I do have some special plannings for you on September to get some nice good trades. Bonk here is coming up pretty well, 18.99 at the moment. I just may say it's a little bit sideways. Now I've actually seen some coins that have very similar pattern to this that are actually pumping up, which is pretty nice to see. I think one of them is auction, in my opinion. So if I do check auction for you right here, auction is actually moving up. So I'm just gonna open up auction, open up the charts, and look at that. Okay, so this is huge, but the thing is that you did have a sideways movement, and eventually you pop and you went to the upside. This sideways movement is very similar to what Bonk is also doing right now. So that was your sideways movement, and then auction actually started to jump off and went to the upside. Now even one more thing is that there's a little bit of divergence probably coming up here. The RSI is moving up, showing that some buyers are actually stepping in there, but this is actually weird. I still may say it's really weird, because on the daily time frame we have huge head and shoulders developing. This is really pretty much confirmed. The breakdown is also pretty much confirmed. So yes, again, I'm just going to remain with the fact that if you come up to 2273, I will actually call it off and say that, you know what, the bears have been defeated up and the buyers have actually been winning, and they kind of push the prices higher, and the intention is actually to take the prices higher. No invalidation, then no any positivity. Invalidation must happen, and it could happen as well, for us to see the prices to push even higher. So that's all for this update on Bonk, and I'm going to see you the next one. Love is.